Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix File Manager not showing internal storage. Normally, a File Manager is installed by default on the phone that allows you to see your internal storage. In case you don't have one, you can go to the Play Store and install one. If what we have are problems accessing the phone's internal data, we will manage the application. To do this, we enter the phone's settings and then click on Apps. After that, click on Manage Apps and look for the File Manager app. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We click on it and then we click on the storage option. After that, click on Clear Data, and here we are going to clear the cache with the Clear Cache option. After this, we are going to click on the Permissions option and we are going to allow the permissions that appear, especially those for data access. After that, we open the File Manager and we will see that we can now access the phone's internal storage. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.